The PGP file you have is actually a tutorial guide for Gpg4win. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's get these instructions open so you can start learning. I'm going to show you how the pros do it. This involves a smart application of one premier PGP file inspection tool that minimizes complexity across many different files. A PGP file is a Gpg4win tutorial file. While PGP is commonly associated with pretty good privacy encryption, in this context, it refers to a tutorial or documentation file specifically related to Gpg4win, a Windows-based encryption software suite. These files often contain instructions, guides, or examples on how to use Gpg4win for encrypting and decrypting data. The internal structure of a PGP tutorial file can vary. It may be a plain text file, a formatted document like PDF or HTML, or a proprietary format used by the Gpg4win software itself. The content typically includes step-by-step instructions, screenshots, and explanations of the various features and functions of Gpg4win. The file is designed to be human-readable and easily understandable by users of all skill levels. Gpg4win, engineered by Gpg4win team, is the application of choice for PGP. For security reasons, Windows requires a known, safe application for execution. Windows cannot decipher encrypted formats, so unlocking them depends on dedicated tools. To resolve the incompatible file format error, right-click the PGP file and choose Open With. Prioritize Gpg4win if available. If absent, choose another application. We are searching for the correct file claim. If the PGP file is still giving you trouble, relax. Since the application couldn't handle the PGP file, we shift focus. I want you to perform these 3 essential recovery steps immediately. First, use Gpg4win. Open the file using the Gpg4win software suite to access the built-in documentation and tutorials. Next, use a PDF HTML viewer. If the tutorial is in a standard documentation format, use a web browser or PDF reader to view the instructions. Finally, open in text editor. Open the file in Notepad++ or another text editor to read the content if it is stored as a plain text guide. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. You may find success with a solution built on independent file logic that aims to read the file header at the byte level to identify the format, regardless of its current label. When you still fail to open the file, you've hit a genuine format barrier. Your solution is a dedicated tool like File Magic, which uses advanced inspection techniques to access files that stump common applications. Download it at filemagic.com. I hope the fix worked perfectly. Like the video, and I'll see you for the next advanced troubleshooting session.